Welcome to the Learning English channel. Short stories. Sand and stone.
John and James were best friends. They fought for many reasons but never gave up their friendship. They went in search of a job and visited many places to earn some money. They passed through various places, villages, towns, forests, and beaches. They supported each other throughout their journey. One day, they reached the desert. They had very little food and water. John said that they should save the food and water for later use. However, James disagreed. He wanted to drink water, as he was very thirsty. They quarreled with each other for water. John slapped James, and they walked in silence. James wrote on the sand, "My best friend slapped me." Finally, they reached an oasis. They were very happy and had a lot of fun in the water. While they were both bathing, James was a bit careless and began to drown. John rushed to him and saved him. James hugged his friend and thanked him. They took a little nap and decided to leave the place. When they were about to leave, James carved something on the rock. "It was my best friend saved my life." He said to John, "When you slapped me, I recorded it on the sand. The wind would have blown it away by now. However, when you saved my life, I recorded it on the rock. It will remain there forever." We have to forget the bad things and cherish the good things that have been done to us. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it.